What's up, YouTube? Today y'all get to come with me to get a tire change with Booby. Alright, first of all, I want to say it was raining like cats and dogs out there, and we still was able to get the job started and completed. No complaints. Shout out to Booby. I hadn't seen her. I've been coming in for years and I haven't seen her, but she knows what she's doing, and Booby was actually helping her with everything. Now, this is where she marks the actual puncture in the tire. Pretty standard. Look at those dogs. Those dogs are cool. They safe, by the way. They real friendly and nice, especially her. Every time I come there, I get the rubber. She doesn't give me any problems. She got nice skin too. She seems to turn away a lot, but not sure why she puts her butt at me. Anyway, moving right along, we get the tire up here. This is the part where they have to actually take the tire off the rim, and she was doing it like a champ. I mean, shout out to her. No problems, no hitches. Everything was smooth. I probably shouldn't have been that close, for insurance purposes, but hey man, Booby been doing this for a while, so it's cool. And she getting the tire off. Easy peasy. This part pretty simple. Now, there was an issue when we went to the back and she had to get this screw out. That was crazy. But that's what she's doing now. She putting the tire up there to get the screw out. And I had never seen this up close before. It's kind of cool, actually. And she go knocking the screw out the other end. And she gonna pull this part out. They usually use pliers for this, but I'm not sure what happened. Them pliers would not get that screw out. It was crazy. And I'm like wanting to help her or try, but I know that's not my job. So I just, stayed there with her, stayed the course. She went and got another tool, because it just wasn't coming out. Like, I thought she had it there, but nope, she ain't get it. So eventually she went and got another tool, and once again, that screw was just not budging. I think that screw was like a superhero screw. Finally, she got a screwdriver and put it in there and unscrewed it, and that's what seemed to work. And we did all that extra, and she used a screwdriver and it came right out. I think that was the sealant. She putting the sealant on there, because she got to put the patch on the inside of the tire. Another thing I never seen before. But there go the dog again. Hey girl. Real friendly. Real good skin. I don't know, but she definitely healthy. They definitely take care of her the right way. There go the screw, y'all. That thing was long. I don't even know how it got in my tire, but anyway, she now what she's doing, I think she's pressing down the rubber patch and kind of getting it to seal. Y'all, I don't know, I'm not an expert. I ain't done with that part, and that was pretty quick. Once that screw came out, everything else was quick. I guess she's blowing the air to get the debris out, and we got to go back over here to the where the rim was, and she has to put the tire back on there. And y'all, she handled all this like a champ, like she was on it. Look at her, she sanding the edges, make sure they smooth so it'll get a nice seal for the airless tire. I mean, she was on it, man. I had no complaints. I mean, I never had any complaints at all from Booby, but I had never worked with her before, so I just thought she did the handling of the receipts. But now she actually get down there and work on them tires. So shout out to her, shout out to Booby, man, for always having good quality workers. Never complain, get the job done, and easy. So now she's just making sure the air right or whatever. They finna put the tire back on. And as a small business owner myself, I always try to look for local businesses to do my work, because I know the struggle, how it is to try to get customers, especially when you have a big chain that customers go to for whatever reasons. And I've been going to Booby for 13 years now, and I ain't never had a complaint. He actually had a bad back, y'all. He was limping, but he didn't stop him from doing what he had to do. So yeah, I'm just looking at him because he had a bad back. It was pouring down, raining, and they was working. No complaints. I go another dog. I don't know. I call her Fluffy, but she friendly too. She always lick my fingers when I come there. And them nuts was real bad. Booby told me later on that those are the wrong size lugs, so eventually I'm gonna have to change those out. And they was pretty tough, but look at Booby, man, going to work like a champ. I've been going to him, and I'm gonna keep going to him. And I recommend him to anybody else that comes into Artesia, New Mexico, looking for somebody to do their tires.